A coolant hose is a coolant hose, right? Not so quick. They may appear the same at a glance, but they're not all created equal. The design aspects of a molded coolant hose are critical for proper cooling system operation. The Society of Automotive Engineers, or SAE, has published standards SAE 20R4 for radiator hose and SAE 20R3 for heater hose that outline the design, testing, and performance attributes recommended for coolant hoses on today's vehicles. But why buy an SAE hose? Many years ago, the average vehicle had only 4 to 5 hoses, including the upper and lower radiator hose, heater inlet and outlet, and a water pump bypass hose. But today's complicated cooling systems no longer exist just to keep the engine cool. There are many other components now within the cooling system, and modern vehicles may have a dozen or more small diameter hoses that aid in drivability and emission control, with features such as throttle body heating or EGR cooling. Continental molded coolant hoses comply with SAE standards and are constructed to precisely match OE manufacturer configurations and specifications to allow for ease of installation and full flow through tight bends. And the proper specifications are equally important to prevent stress on radiator and water neck connections. Continental offers many types of hoses to match the multiple different OE designs on today's vehicles. Intersect radiator hoses, found on some of the more complex cooling systems, include metal or nylon connectors to replace OE performance and fit, and they are assembled with high-quality stainless steel clamps for leak-proof connections. Molded heater and bypass hoses are also designed to specific OE configurations, and this is important not only for proper heater operation, but many bypass hoses can affect the ability of a cooling system to self-bleed trapped air, and depending on the application, they can also play a critical role in oil and transmission fluid warm-up and cooling, EGR cooling, and turbo or supercharger cooling. Many OE hoses feature quick connect fittings, which not only make installation easier, but the primary benefit of these fittings is they have an O-ring inside, which allows expansion and contraction of the connection while maintaining a positive seal to prevent leaks and stress on the fitting for many years of service. Continental's quick connect fittings are designed to precise OE specifications for flawless fit and performance. All Continental hoses are made with EPDM rubber to resist heat, ozone, and electrochemical degradation, and they are compatible with most coolants, including ethylene and propylene glycol-based coolants and organic acid-modified long-life coolants. For those applications where a molded hose is not available, Continental offers a flexible radiator hose with a corrugated cover that easily bends to replicate the OE coolant hose. It maintains full flow and resists collapse with a wire insert. Also available are universal hoses with 90-degree bends to help with hose routing, and Easy Coil is another product that can help with hose bends when the original hose is not available. Thanks for watching.